Hello FutureNet, hello ladies and gentlemen. Today I have some very short but very cool update for you, because today is a milestone day in the history of FutureNet. You know, in FutureNet we promise you something and then comes the day when we deliver. And today, ladies and gentlemen, what I want to show you is the first FuturoCoin ATM in the world. This machine is the first one, and of course we have another one. This one will be located in the FutureNet Cafe in Wrocław in Poland. And come next time to the FutureNet Cafe, and then you will see how easy it is to cash out in fiat money your Futuro. How easy is it to buy Futuro, and even other cryptocurrencies will work with that ATM machine too. But of course the branding will be with the Futuro logo, but you can work with that with other coins too. And then of course we will create professional videos how easy it is to work with that machine, how easy it is to cash out your Futuros. Because you know, these people, they are not so involved in the cryptocurrency. They have only one question. I have that money in my computer, but how can I get it in money which I can use in the shop, which I can use for everything? Here is the answer. That is one of the fantastic news from today. And in the next week and in 2 weeks from now, we will have much more for you. And don't miss to come to Macau, because one more time, in Macau, we will present a revolution in marketing history of all the time. And be sure when we start with the ticket sale that you have your ticket very quickly, because we will be sold out very quickly that year. And then come to Poland and take a look to our first ATM for the Futuro. Bye bye guys, see you.